Hi, this is Dr. Yogesh Bhoki. In this tutorial, I will show you how easy it is to add color to a black and white photo using the colorize filter in Photoshop. To use the colorize filter, you will need the latest version of Photoshop, and that is 2022. You can use any black and white photo for this. This colorize filter makes it easy for you to color black and white photos. But before we can use it, and to get better results, you need to make some changes in the file in Photoshop. The colorize filter only works with the images that are in the RGB color mode. Go up to the image menu in the menu bar and choose mode. Click on RGB color to select it. You can also view the document's color mode in the tab at the top. Now, in the layers panel, click on the background layer and drag it down onto the new layer icon. A copy of the layer appears above the original. You can now rename your layers by double clicking on the layer. Then go up to the image menu, choose adjustment and then click on desaturate. If your photo has a tint color, you can go with the same adjustments. Desaturate option removes any color and leaves the image in black and white. Then to increase the contrast, go up to the image menu and choose auto contrast. The colorize filter works best with images that have a good amount of contrast. If you are working on a very old photo, then you need to change this photo first for the better contrast. If auto contrast made some areas too bright or too dark, go up to the edit menu and choose the option fade auto contrast. Then you can reduce the opacity of the auto contrast command to fade the effect. This is optional option. Colorize is one of the Photoshop's neutral filters. So to select it, go up to the filter menu and choose the neutral filter option. This opens the neutral filter area with the image on the left and the neutral filters panel on the right. The neutral filters panel on the right lists all the filters we can use from. But before we can use the filter, we first need to download it. Once the filter is downloaded, click it to turn the colorize filter on. After few seconds, your Photoshop analyzes the image and we get a very superb result at the end. After that, you can also change the color combination as you wish.